Cerro Gordo, silver mining town established in 1866. A town 8,000 feet up in the Inyo mountains with Owens Lake on one side and Death Valley on the other side. 4,500 people called Cerro Gordo home, and at the time Los Angeles had only 6,000 inhabitants. And silver from Cerro Gordo is what made Los Angeles viable and able to expand. Cerro Gordo mined high-grade silver that was smelted on site, and by 1867 tales of silver at Cerro Gordo had spread, bringing in lots of new prospectors. Businessman Victor Baldry, impressed with the quality of silver coming out of Cerro Gordo, opened a supply shop in town, and he acquired several mining claims to settle unpaid debts. He built 2 modern smelters and continued acquiring mining rights from debtors until he soon owned a majority stake in the richest and most productive mine in the area, including an interest in the largest Union mine. In 1869, another businessman, Mortimer Belshaw, arrived in Cerro Gordo after establishing a partnership with another stakeholder in the Union mine. He took the first wagon load of silver from Cerro Gordo to Los Angeles. Later he would build a superior smelter, as well as building the first wagon road up the mountain, known as the Yellow Road. Belshaw extracted tolls from the road and was able to control shipments of silver from the mountain. By 1869 it became the largest producer of silver and lead in California, yielding an assay value as high as $300 a ton, which was very high for the time. Reni Nadu, king of the desert traders, put together mule trains to haul the silver to Los Angeles, 275 miles away. In 1873, he teamed up with Belshaw and Baldry, and they had over 10,000 mules and 90 wagons. Cerro Gordo was a lawless town, and there were fatal shootings every week as conflicts raged in brothels and saloons around town. In one period, a murder every day was recorded.